Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm coming to do meat pie. I've got my flour. I'm using sun rising flour. I'm going to put 6 cups of flour. Now I'm going to put my dry ingredients. I've got my salt, just using a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to put my nutmeg, just 1 whole nutmeg. I'm going to put a bit of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking powder. I'm going to mix everything together and add my butter. That's 500 grams of butter. I'm adding, and then when I finish, I'm going to mix everything together and make sure it gets things to dough. Mix everything to dough. So that's 500 grams of butter I'm adding now. Then mix everything together. I'm going to add 2 eggs. I'm going to add 2 eggs and then mix everything together. And then from there, I'll start adding my water. With the water, I'm just using room temperature water. And I'll be adding the water bit by bit. So now I've mixed the egg with the flour. I'm going to add my water. But with the water, you make sure you add it bit by bit. You don't put too much that you not spoil your dough, because you want that kind of consistency. So you make sure you put it bit by bit, so that by the end you get the right texture of the dough that you want, because you don't want your dough to be sticky. You don't want your pie will get very hard. So you just want that kind of consistency. You put the water bit by bit to the time that everything gets together. So now I'm finishing, and I'm going to, from here, I'm going to clear the worktop and then put my dough on the worktop. Just put it a little bit of flour, put the dough on the worktop, and then combine everything together, and then wrap it with the cling film. So right now I'm trying to make sure the dough, everything gets together. Have a nice dough, how I wanted my dough to be, very fluffy, very nice, easy for me to roll up. And now putting it back to the bowl, a bit of flour on it, cover it with the cling film and put it in the fridge for like 10 minutes. Yeah, starting with my filling, I've got 2 spoons of oil, 1 chopped onion. I'm going to add my meat, which I've got 250 grams of minced meat. Adding, mixing everything together. I'm going to add my potato. I just got only 1 whole potato. I chop it and then I'm putting it and stir it together. Then I'm going to add my carrots, so it's potato carrots, and adding the mixed meat. So I've got my carrots, I'm going to mix it together and leave it to cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Two spoons of flour mixed with water. I'm adding it so that my filling is going to get intact, because sometimes when you don't add anything and then you do your filling, sometimes it doesn't go well. So I'm adding 2 spoons of flour so that when I finish my filling will be good. Now I'm done with my filling. I'm leaving it to cool down for like 5 minutes and I'll start back to my dough. I'm going to get my dough off from the fridge, put it on the wet top and cut it into slices, little portions, so that it will be easy for me to roll it. So cutting it into balling, and then I'm going to start rolling it. Rolling. Yeah, now I'm using my calabash. I've got my calabash, African calabash. I'm using it to get the kind of shape I want. So I'm going to continue to be doing this consistency. But now I'm going to do one filling, and I'm going to put my filling in and see how it goes. Yeah, so I'm adding my filling, and I'm going to brush the end with a bit of water. Brush the ends with a bit of water so that everything goes up. So I'm doing my first filling, and then from there I'll just leave the filling and then roll everything. Roll my dough, cut it into the kind of shape I want it from here. I'm doing the second one of the filling, just using my finger to do it. So you can do it in a type of shape you want it. This time I'm just using my finger to do the shape and use my fork to do the middle. Yeah, so now I've done with my rolling and I'm doing the filling. So you can do it in a shape that you want. Now I'm using my fork to do it. Baby girl, I say your body na killer, oh. Oh, I get it tired of your body, oh, only on your body. That girl for the corner, there's somebody made a call, I'm where see the wine, I see fire for body, oh. And if you follow me, go now, enjoyment go kill, I'm baby girl, you bad, oh. Now I'm putting milk on top of my pie. I'm putting the milk on top of my pie. You can use egg as well. You can use egg to brush on top of your pie. So now I'm going to put it in the oven for like 5 to 10 minutes, and then you see the end of it. Yeah, so welcome back. This is the end of my mixed pie. So delicious.